Here's what I would do if I were starting over from scratch. No money, no time, and a house full of kids that needed me, because not too long ago, that was my situation. Hey, friend, I'm Andrea. I'm a homeschooling mom to two very active boys. And trust me, I get it. I know life is busy. And so I want you to know, if you spend your whole day homeschooling, meal prepping, cooking, taking care of the household, taking care of everyone else, I see you. Maybe you're feeling like you're pulled in 100 different directions and still trying to figure out how you can earn an income from home. That was me too. Maybe you have that feeling, that knowing that you're made for more, and not that mom is not enough. Mom is the most important job in the whole world. It is the title and the name that every day, truly, I feel honored to be the mom to my boys. However, there is a part of me that was looking for purpose outside of motherhood. So if you feel that pull, if you feel that call within, or maybe you have that need, maybe you don't want to work, but you need to bring in something financially, this video is going to help you. Because maybe like you, I didn't know where to begin. So I spent late nights Googling how to earn an income from home as a stay-at-home mom. I was dealing with the newness of motherhood and healing myself while also caring for another tiny human and trying to figure all that out as well. Meanwhile, we had gone from two incomes to one, and we could see our savings slowly dwindle away. So I started looking for ways to earn an income from home, and I tried a whole bunch of different things over many years. Because I tried so many things that failed, this is why I wanted to share this video with you, what I would do if I was starting over completely from scratch today. Because you don't need a business idea to earn an income from home. You just need a system that works. So the first thing I would do is find a done-for-you system. What does that mean? Something that I can make a one-time purchase for without having to pay monthly fees, things chip away, and especially when you're starting out, that can be really hard. The done-for-you system that I found is called the Legacy Builder Program, and here's why it's different. It's 100% profit, no sales calls, and completely passive ready, which means that there's 5 billion people on the internet every day, and someone can find your website, your content through attraction marketing on social media, on free platforms, just like here, and be directed to your website where the automations take over, where your potential customers feel nurtured through a series of emails that are sent to them that are crafted in your own tone. This is a done-for-you system. The second thing I would look for within that system is something that teaches me attraction marketing, so I don't have to hey girl DM or hustle on my phone all day, because that eats away at mom time, and I don't have time to burn dinner because I'm texting or replying to DMs. So learning the skills to master attraction marketing would be number 2, the absolute must-have thing if I was starting over. Another benefit to the system is it teaches you how to master your time and your mindset so that you can learn how to do all your income producing activities within 2 hours a day. So whether that's nap time, quiet time, before the kids get up, after the kids go to bed, whenever you work best or whenever works best for your family as a whole, you can split this up into 20, 30-minute chunks in your day and get it done around the most important time of your day, which is caring for others and hopefully for yourself as well. So what makes this program different? Traditional businesses take time, money, and skills. Moms don't have the luxury to learn a new skill, spend a year just learning, figuring it out, or taking trainings in order to learn how to make an income. What sets the system apart, this done-for-you business in a box, is the fact that you can be in profit mode from day one. The system is set up to teach you how to master these skills, how to set up your business in bite-sized chunks so it can fit around mom life, around mom time. 5-10-minute videos teaches me new things, and then I can implement them. It pays out daily, so you don't have to wait for a paycheck every 2 weeks or a month. My mental health improved drastically when I started doing this because I wasn't constantly having to think about my hustle when I wasn't hustling. I could get my work done in my day and then put my stuff away and just show up and be present with my boys or my husband or alone on those odd occasions that I actually got to be alone in the house. This is a way that you can build an income that supports your nervous system. And speaking to someone that has burned out not once, but twice in my life, to be able to have an exciting, fun business supported by a really cool community, a really cool worldwide community that teaches me new skills, makes my brain work, but not in the way that it hurts, and brings in an income. and can be done in 2 hours a day. Incredible. So, my friend, I want you to know you're not behind. You're not too late. You're right on time. Because maybe you're hearing this and you're thinking, I wish I'd known about this years ago. Maybe you're feeling frustrated or angry, whatever that is for you, because that's how I felt. Disappointed in myself that I didn't know about it sooner. So I'm sharing this with you because I needed to hear it at the time. You're right on time. This is possible and you can do this. And so this is exactly what I wish I had when I got started in my entrepreneurial journey, my motherhood journey. And so I hope that this has been helpful for you if you would like to learn more about earning an income from home with the Legacy Builder program in the 2-hour workday. Here's your invitation. Go to my website. It's dailyincomemama.com. Enter in your email address. I'll send you an email. You'll have your Freedom Formula Blueprint emailed to you. So check your spam folder and then hit reply to that email and let me know what your questions are. Let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed this content, please subscribe because that way you will never miss out on future content that I share here. All my content is designed to empower mamas on their healing journey, their homeschool journey, and their financial journey. Thanks for watching.